the women farmers protest in the national capital today. They were the ones who congregated at Jantar Mantar for the Farmers' Parliament. My colleague Sukirti gets us more details.
We are currently at the All Women Kisan Sansad at Jantar Mantar, and actress and activist Ms. Gul Panag is here to show her support towards these farmers. We'll speak to her for more. Ma'am, my first question to you is, these farmers have been protesting for over 8 months. So far the negotiation rounds with the government have failed. Do you think that this protest now, the parliament that they are setting up here, is finally going to make some difference?
Ultimately, one has to see whether this government is going to be stubborn and maintain its present position on 3 laws that were A, passed without following legislative process, and B, passed on subjects that are not central subjects to legislate upon. Fundamentally, the issue is that now there have been multiple rounds of talks between the farmers and the government, but it all comes down to the position that the farmers take, which is when the laws weren't made with due process, how can we accept any changes in those laws? What the farmers propose is repeal these laws and make a fresh set of laws which bring on board the perspective of both corporate houses as well as farmers.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for speaking to us. That is Ms. Gul Panag. She is showing her support to the farmers. Many of these women have turned out over here. It has started raining, but despite all of this, these farmers know how to brave all the seasons. That's what they've been doing at the Delhi borders for all these last 8 months, and today they continue to raise their voices. But so far, the government has not listened to their demand to repeal the 3 farm laws, but the farmers are hopeful that using this platform over here will finally help their cause. In New Delhi with camera person Sudesh Kumar Ram, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.